Okay, what about this problem? Again, if we look at it, and maybe just by inspection, if we put in -3 plus 3, we get a 0 in the denominator. -3 squared gives me a 9 up here. Minus 3 minus 6, that gives me 0 over 0, indeterminate form, so I know I need to go and do some algebra for this. So I'm looking for algebra to do. What do you see that you might be able to do to this problem? The numerator will factor. The numerator is a trinomial, so we should be able to factor it. X plus 3, x minus 2. Remember, they have to multiply to give us a positive 1. 3 minus 2 gives us 1. They have to add to give us a 1. Positive 3, negative 2 adds to give me 1. They have to multiply to give me -6, which they do, and the denominator stays the same. Well, again, what has happened? Now we can cancel this and this, so we're left with the limit as x approaches -3 of x minus 2. And if we plug -3 in, -3 minus 2 is -5. So we have that the limit is -5. Now, one thing I want you to notice, we do need to keep this part of the problem in until we actually evaluate the limit. When I factored back here in this step, I can't just leave the limit as x approaches -3 off. I need to go ahead and write it again because I haven't evaluated the limits yet. I haven't plugged -3 in to get an answer out yet. So I want to be sure that I keep the limit naming in here, keep that nomenclature in until I've actually plugged in, I've evaluated, now the limit nomenclature is no longer there. It's simply the answer.